Hello beautiful souls, you are welcome to Fortitude Shammah Craft. Today we'll be making a fine fascinator with bird cage, feathers and bow on it. So these are the material we are going to make use of. You are going to make use of your bird cage. You have your felt. This is your needle with fishing line. Then this is princess mat. Princess mat. I'm going to use it for the bow. You need your peg, your UHU or your hot gum. Then this is a Alice band. Alice band. We have your bias, then feathers. You can use with feathers is in different types. So I will just cut out of this to design my fascinator. Your scissors and measuring tape. So let's start. The measurement for the net is 20 inches. You are going to run gathers. You are going to run gathers. So you are going to do it this way. Just gather it. Then you tack it. Tie it down. So this is how it's going to be. So you put it aside. Make the bow. This is how to make the bow. You can use any other material. This is princess mat. So the measurement I'm using for the bow is 8 inches. 8 inches by 5 and make it 8 by 5. I'm going to fold the edges, all the edges. I'm going to fold it so that it will not be bringing out wool. It will make my work to be neat. So you are going to fold it twice. This is how it's going to look like. Can you see it? So you are going to fold it twice. You can make use of your hot gum. So I'm going to use my peg to hold it down. You are going to fold it into two. Fold it into two to locate the center. Then run loose stitches at that center. Run loose stitches at that center. So I'm going to use the fishing line to tie it together. So this is the bow. So you are going to take the felt So I'm going to tack it together. You are going to tack it together. You can use your UHU gum to hold it down, but I always like it when I tack it down so that it will be firm with the fishing line. So you are going to start from here, from outside. Can you see it? Where you gather, you are going to use the bow to cover it. So tack it down with the bird cage. So you tack it down with the bird cage. So when you are returning your needle, just check, let it be close. I don't know if you can see. Let it be close to the where it comes out. So this is it. So I am going to use bias to cover the rough work at this side. But before I do that, I'm going to fold my bias this way, just cut little, then use my UHU gum to cover it. When I get here too, I'm going to fold it inside. I'm going to reduce the length of this. So, but when I get there, I will let you know. If you are putting your Harley's band, this is it. But as it is, we have the elastic here. I'm not going to put the Harley's band, but I will show you if you are putting your Harley's band. So you are going to place it on your mannequin to see how it is. So you are going to place it this way. Then you tack it down with your fishing line. Do you get it? But I'm not going to put anything I'm not going to put the Harley's band since it has elastic. So this is it. So I'm going to cut further. So I will just cut 2 out of this. I only need 2 out of this to add to the beauty. So just place it the way you think is fine. And I can as well put the 2 this way. So when I put it on the mannequin, then we'll see. So the next thing you are going to do, you are going to trim off these edges. Trim it off to your satisfaction. So you apply your gum. You apply it here. So I'm going to put 2 feathers. You can use your hot gum. So I'm going to place it at the back the way I want it. So we are through making it. You can add more feather if you like. It depends on what you want. So this is the outcome of it. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button and turn on your notification button so that you can be getting updates whenever we upload new video. Equally like, share for others to benefit. This is Fortitude Shammah Craft 081397 84467. Thanks for watching. Bye.